everyone, it's Abby. Welcome. I color his body yellow. I use blue for SpongeBob's eyes. I'm gonna use 2 different shades of red for his mouth. Then I use this marker for the holes. The color of his tie is red. Finally, I use this brown for his pants. Nice! Now let's color the background. I use this marker for the bottom. I'm gonna use 3 different shades of green for seaweeds. I use blue for the background flowers. And I use sky blue for the background. Also, I'm gonna use a turquoise color as a second color for the background. Good job! If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. New videos come every week.